Having trouble seeing your followers list on Instagram because it's not loading or showing up on your iPhone? No sweat. I've got you covered. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix this pesky issue. So let's dive right in without delay. Solution 1. Start by ensuring that your internet connection is up and running smoothly. Open any browser of your choice. Now navigate to any web page and check if it loads correctly. If not, toggle on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. After that, check if the issue persists. Solution 2. Reset your network settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Select Reset, then tap on Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping on Reset Network Settings again. Your network settings will now be reset if the problem persists. It could be due to Instagram's restrictions. If you've unfollowed many accounts recently, hang tight as this should resolve on its own after a while. Solution 3. Make sure adjustments to your network settings. Head over to Settings on your phone again. Tap on Cellular, then select Cellular Data Options. If Low Data Mode is enabled, toggle it off. Next, tap on Voice and Data. Choose 5G or 4G depending on your phone's capability. Go back to the Cellular Settings menu, tap on Network Selection, turn Automatic, return to the Cellular Settings menu and tap on Cellular Data Network. Scroll down and select Reset Settings, then hit Reset. Hopefully this resolves the issue. And there you have it. That's how you can fix the issue of your followers list not showing or loading on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for tuning in.